Hey guys, it's Frances. Welcome back to my channel. I have another plan with me for this week. I usually film these videos or try to have them filmed by Monday or on Monday to have them uploaded on Monday, but I had to drive back home on Monday, so I wasn't able to film. I got home really late, so I didn't do anything Monday except drive home basically from visiting my sister. So I think I might just cover that with washi. So this is why the video is going up a little late. Anyway, for today's video, I kind of wanted to use this paper pad. I got this probably over the summer last year, I want to say, and I've never gotten to use it. So I purchased this at Hobby Lobby. It was, I believe, whenever the Paper Studio was 50% off. They have those sales every so often. So I did grab this, and I wanted to use this because I haven't gotten to test out my Happy Planner Punch, so I want to try this out. And then I also just pulled out these stickers, which I hauled in a Michael's haul. I will link that down below if you have not checked that out. And then I also pulled out the Happy Planner stickers. I pulled out these stickers, which I don't think I've gotten to use these either. Maybe I've used like one sticker, but I still haven't gotten to use this. So I thought the stickers in here would go in here. I'm not entirely sure if I'm going to be using that, but we'll see what we can do. So I got that, and then I did purchase these stickers at Target over the weekend. I'm not going to pull them all out just because it's like 6 or 7 pages of the same sheet, but I mostly pulled it out for this sticker right here. I might be doing a girls' night with my coworkers on Saturday, so I'm going to use that for here if the color goes. I just realized it's yellow and pink, so that might not work. All right, so I'm just going to open up my Happy Planner Punch, and then we'll go ahead and get started. To this trivia night on Friday that's also a wine and paint night, and it's gonna be a Harry Potter trivia night wine and paint thing. So I'm so excited for that, by the way. But I purchased these stickers from Target, so I'm gonna use one of these stickers to mark that down. And these were $3.99. I also decided to pull out my Colorful Boxes sticker book because I'm going to use it to mark my late work day on Wednesday, and then I'll probably just mark the that I had to drive on Monday, and then I'm going to put, I didn't use this girls night sticker, but I'll probably use this flag to kind of like show, like block off the time, I guess. Alright, you guys, that is it for now. I did notice as I was finishing that these stickers smear. They're like not matte. They're like, I don't want to say glossy, but like, I don't know. I can't describe them, but I would definitely probably use like a Sharpie. I used a Papermate Flare and it still didn't dry, so it smeared. So I would definitely suggest using a Sharpie for these stickers. I am going to let them sit for a little bit so that they don't smudge anymore. But overall, I really do like the stickers. I love the little doodles. And yeah, I really like the way this spread turned out. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. If you're not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so you don't miss when I upload a video. I really hope you guys are having a great week, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!